Welcome to Small Space Gardening. I am Marlon and I live in Arizona. And today's video, I'm going to go over my DIY project, which is my GreenStalk watering system. I've come up with a clever hack that lets you keep the watering system attached to your GreenStalk while still being able to rotate it. But you'll have to stick around until the end to see how it works. Here's what I used for this project. 1/2-inch irrigation tubing, garden hose quick connectors, switch valve fittings, elbow fittings, and optional 3D printed parts. The parts that were 3D printed were the watering spout and the connection clips. What I did, I used Fusion 360 to design and model the parts, and that took a while, but I got it done and then I 3D printed it. I made 2 types of clips. One to securely go around the flexible tubing, just to secure it more, and that's what I'm putting on right now. And the other one you'll see when I connect it to the GreenStalk. After connecting the clips, I installed the switch valve fitting. The other fittings were already installed, but those are pretty simple, so I don't have to go through that. Then I connected the spout. Here's the installation process. I actually measured this before, so I knew how far the first clip would be from the top, but I put the first clip on, then the second one, which is the one that I told you about, that is going to be connected to the GreenStalk first, then clip the tubing onto it. I just kept going down the GreenStalk, just clipping and connecting. That's pretty much it. Now see it in action. Now I'm able to regulate the flow or completely turn off the water. Remember that hack I told you I came up with at the beginning? Here it is. GreenStalk sells a watering system that is built well, but the problem is people are complaining that you can't rotate it when it's installed. I had to fix that because I definitely have to rotate my GreenStalk in my backyard. This is what I did. Since I use flexible tubing in my garden irrigation system, I had some extra tubing on hand. So I attached a Y connector to distribute the water to both GreenStalks. I then use a quick connector to easily attach the garden hose to the Y and to connect the tubing to the watering system. By using the quick connectors, you can easily disconnect, rotate your GreenStalk, then reconnect it without dismantling your entire water system. Just like that. With this hack, I can water both GreenStalks at the same time and still rotate them to ensure all my plants get full sun. I hope this little hack helped you out in your own garden. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and ring the bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Drop a comment if you're trying this or if you have any garden tips of your own to share. And as usual, stay blessed.